Hello everyone, this is a solar power plant monitoring system and distribution system. We are using Arduino and 8051 microcontrollers to monitor and distribute power. So let's see the system from start. So first of all, we have two solar panels, one solar panel here and another solar panel here, panel 1 and panel 2. This is 3 volt, this is 2 volt. These are the source of power, like the power generating systems. When we put light source on it, they start generating voltage and current that is fed to this testing breadboards, these testing breadboards, and we are basically sending this voltage measurement data from the panels, whatever the voltage is coming, to this voltage sensor. This voltage sensor can sense up to 25 volt, this voltage sensor, and then the output of this voltage sensor is sent to A1 pin of the Arduino, analog A1 pin of Arduino. And Arduino here, the role of this Arduino is also a mini microcontroller in our project. The Arduino's role here is to take the analog input from the voltage sensor and convert it into digital values by some scaling technique. And after we generate 8-bit of digital data from this Arduino, that 8-bit of digital data is sent to port 1 of the 8051 board. The 8051 IC which we are using is 8089S52, and port 1 has all the 8-bit data sent from the Arduino. Now internally, by some programming, we send the data of port 1 to port 0. Now port 1 is the input port and port 0 is the output port of this microcontroller. The port 0 then is used to send data from the microcontroller to the LCD, and these registers are the pull-up registers because port 0 do not have inbuilt pull-up registers, so we are connecting pull-up registers to drain the current. And finally the data is sent to LCD. As you can see, we are measuring the voltage. The voltage is coming V is equal to 0.83, and side by side you can see that we have connected Bluetooth module to 8051. Bluetooth module is connected to the phone by using Bluetooth terminal HC05 app. The Bluetooth module communicates with the phone via serial communication methods. So you can see that in the LCD also its value is dynamically changing, and in the Bluetooth module also value is changing accordingly. So basically we have synced the system, and if you want to change the voltage values, you can put more light on the solar panels, which we showed in the first stage of the system, and you can see that there will be changes in the LCD as well as in the mobile phone. Let's demonstrate that. If you put more light from any light, suppose we are taking mobile torch and putting more light, see the voltage is increasing. You can just check it. The voltage has increased to 1.11, 1.34, 1.43, 1.51, and side by side you can see the voltage here is also changing. That means we are getting the data via Bluetooth module to the remote device connected to it. So basically we are remotely monitoring our power system. Thank you. So now let's see distribution of the power. So basically here we have the solar panels and we have this Arduino which sends control signals to this relay, and this Arduino is also connected to a Bluetooth module, and this phone here sends data that is sent to this Bluetooth module. From the Bluetooth module it goes to the Arduino. Arduino processes that data and performs whatever function it has to do. I mean, it controls the relay. So let's see how it does. In this case, when we send 1, this relay will switch on and this LED will switch on. When we send 2, this relay will switch on and this LED will switch on. Let's see how it works. And side by side I have to send power to the solar panel. So I will put flashlight on the solar panel. Now you can see we have sent 1. That means this relay is on. This LED is glowing. Now we change it to 2. This relay is on. This LED is glowing. Now let's switch on both the relays. you can see the for switching on both the relays, 1 2 we have to send, just, and once when we press it, it's on. Second time when we press it, it gets off. So just pressing on and off this way, and both relays are on and both LEDs are on. And like the voltage produced is very low, the LEDs are not that bright, but you can see it very closely. If you focus the camera, then you can see that the LEDs are glowing. See, both the LEDs are almost glowing. A very dim light is coming.